Hi you guys! So I just got this keratin hair smoothing treatment. I'm gonna show you how to use it. This is my first time using any sort of keratin and this has been super awesome. The process was pretty easy. It tells you everything you gotta do on the box. I got this one at www.hairmayraki.com. So this was what my hair looks like before. And then step by step I'm going to show you how to do the rest. So you have to pre-shampoo first. So it tells you to wash it 2 to 3 times. So I washed it 3 times. Then right after I went into blow drying. So my hair takes about 30 minutes to blow dry, and it's telling you to use on sections of your hair. So I pulled half of it up and then I started on it. For length like mine, it says to use a half to 3/4 of the bottle. For a bit, I'm just doing that, and then I will show you the rest. So now I let that sit for 50 to 60 minutes, it says, and now I am blow drying that. And now we are at the end of straightening and my hair looks so good. It is so smooth and soft. I love how soft it looks, and voila! Wow. This is the finished outcome. It looks amazing. All in all, it was super easy to use. I love this and would definitely recommend.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.